Hey guys, PhoneArena here, and this is a video out of the LG G7. We're showcasing the wide-angle camera that the LG G7 has. It has 16 megapixels of resolution and 107 degrees of viewing angle. Unfortunately, I cannot switch back and forth between the main and the wide-angle camera, but I can use digital zoom to some extent to get closer. This is the maximum digital zoom available while shooting video with the wide-angle camera, and back to normal. There is no image stabilization in this mode, no optical one for sure, but that's less of an issue when you're shooting with a wide-angle camera. There's no autofocus either, but most of the time you won't really need it. Okay, that was a 4K video sample taken with a G7 and its wide-angle camera.